withdrawal. There are international laws around it that must be obeyed. Though ECOWAS has their own points too, and Niger has their own points too. And they have formed an alliance. Alliance Sahel states with Mali and Burkina Faso. So when you factor all this in, you will see that they are on a negotiating table with power. They are not coming from, I beg you, point of view. They are coming with power. So we must listen to them. We must find a place where we can meet. Once there's a willing buyer and there's a willing seller, they must meet at a point. So for now, going forward, Nigeria must find a way, because we are the chair of ECOWAS. Even though the ECOWAS heads of state takes decisions, but we are the chair. We must find a way to resolve these challenges, in the sense that what happened to Mauritania, there's always 1 year. 1 year after you have tendered your letter of withdrawal, you must wait for 1 year before you are withdrawn. But Mali, when they are now said,
in other words, they are still in the process.
They say they are not going to wait. They say they are not going to wait.
Theirs was instanter.
Yes, they say they are not going to wait. But that is against the international law. So we must bring, I know that I'm not a lawyer, but the international lawyers are deliberating on that. And they must take a decision. At the worst, they will go to International Court of Justice and sort it out there. But you must obey and be abiding by the things you've signed. You don't just say, okay, you are Upper Volta then, we understand. When ECOWAS was formed, you are now Mali, Niger is... So we must understand that those things are binding because you are aware. It's not as if you are not aware. You are aware of these rules and these treaties. You must abide by them. So going forward, apart from the economic politics that's going on, Russia wants to enter into West Africa, and they are coming through these Francophone countries. You understand? We understand that. France doesn't want to give up what they owe. Remember, Niger is one of the exporters of uranium. And everybody wants this for nuclear, for cancer treatment and all that. So it is important that we treat them with care. We don't just say, they are my junior brothers. They have power now. And brothers said it, they have power. And because they have power, you must listen to them. But it also means that if you, Winston Churchill once said that democracy is the worst form of government. But only those governments that we have tried. In other words, that is the best that we have tried. Except the governments that we have tried, democracy is still the worst. So if they have found something better for Africa, they should come up with those things and sit down with their brothers. We are all brothers. From Castina to Niger is about 162 kilometers. But women are suffering. Women carry their children at the back and walk that distance. You can imagine the distance because of this border closure. Now that it has been lifted, everybody is benefiting. Nobody, it's not just economic. Some of us, you might say that they have targeted the government, but everybody along the borderline is suffering. Taxi drivers, people that are earning, that's why there's issue of security around that area. So my suggestion is, let us calm down, be calming down. Somehow,
be coming down.
Yes, be coming down. Somehow we'll get over this.
You said that.